Crash Course on Greece. Music and Performing Arts. Welcome to a crash course on Greece's vibrant music and performing arts scenes. Get ready to be enthralled by interesting stories and examples that will ignite your excitement for Greek music and performances. Let's dive in. Greece has a rich and diverse musical heritage that spans across centuries. From traditional folk music to contemporary compositions, Greek music encompasses a wide range of genres and styles. Here are some fascinating stories and examples to pique your interest. 1. Traditional Greek music. The soul-stirring melodies of traditional Greek music are deeply rooted in the country's history and culture. Instruments like the bouzouki, lyra, and baglamas create an enchanting atmosphere, transporting listeners to another era. 2. Rembetiko. Originating in the early 20th century, Rembetiko is a genre that emerged from the urban working-class communities of Greece. It reflects the struggles and joys of everyday life, often accompanied by the melancholic sound of the bouzouki. 3. Greek folk dances. Greek folk dances, such as the syrtos and kalamatianos, are an integral part of Greek culture. These lively and rhythmic dances are often performed during celebrations, weddings, and festivals, bringing people together in joyous harmony. 4. Rembetiko cafes. Step into a Rembetiko cafe, and you'll experience the authentic ambience of Greek music. These cozy establishments are known for their live performances of Rembetiko music, where musicians and singers passionately share their art with the audience. 5. The Athens Concert Hall. As a major cultural venue in Greece, the Athens Concert Hall hosts a wide range of music and performing arts events. From classical concerts to contemporary performances, it showcases the diversity and talent of Greek artists and international acts. 6. Epidaurus Ancient Theatre. The ancient theatre of Epidaurus is a marvel of acoustics and architectural design. Experience the magic of Greek theatre by attending a performance in this historic setting, where ancient dramas and comedies come to life. 7. Athens Epidaurus Festival. The Athens Epidaurus Festival is a summer-long celebration of performing arts, including theater, music, and dance. It attracts renowned artists and performers from around the world, creating a captivating cultural experience. 8. Thessaloniki Concert Hall. Located in Thessaloniki, the city's concert hall is a cultural hub that hosts a variety of music and performing arts events. From classical music concerts to contemporary dance performances, it offers a diverse program for art enthusiasts. 9. Santorini Sunset Concerts. Imagine enjoying a breathtaking sunset backdrop while listening to beautiful music. Santorini hosts enchanting open-air concerts, where renowned musicians create a magical ambience against the backdrop of the island's stunning vistas. 10. Greek festivals. Throughout the year, Greece is filled with vibrant music festivals that celebrate various genres and styles. The Rockwave Festival, Athens Technopolis Jazz Festival, and Thessaloniki International Film Festival are just a few examples of the dynamic festival scene in Greece. 11. Mikis Theodorakis. A legendary composer, Mikis Theodorakis is an iconic figure in Greek music. His compositions, including the music for the film Zorba the Greek, have become synonymous with Greek culture and are beloved worldwide. 12. Greek National Opera. The Greek National Opera showcases a diverse repertoire of operas, ballets, and other performances. Its grand productions and talented artists contribute to the rich tapestry of Greece's performing arts scene. In summary, Greece's music and performing arts scene is a dynamic and captivating world that reflects the country's rich cultural heritage. From traditional melodies to contemporary performances, there's something for every art enthusiast to explore and enjoy. Now, let's celebrate Greece's music and performing arts with a poem. In Greece's realm of music and art, melodies that stir the heart. Traditional tunes, rich and deep. Whispering stories, ancient and steep. Rembetiko's soulful refrain. Echoes of joy and lingering pain. Folk dances in rhythmic sway, uniting souls in spirited play. Athens Concert Hall, a stage divine, where talents of all genres shine. Epidaurus ancient theaters might, reviving tales in hallowed light. Thessaloniki's vibrant beat, a concert hall where melodies meet. Santorini's sunset concerts ignite, a symphony against the twilight. Festivals aplenty, a joyous sound, music and arts that abound. Miki's Theodorakis, a legend's name, eternally woven in Greece's fame. Greek National Opera, a grand display, graceful performances that sweep and sway. From Athens to Thessaloniki's embrace, Greece's music and arts leave a lasting trace. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.